Hi there, it's Lindsay from the Postman's Knock, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make this gorgeous and tasteful sympathy card. So you're going to start by making a pencil draft of a branch with plenty of leaves, and then you're going to use waterproof ink to trace over a few of those leaves, so half of them would be good. Make sure to draw little lines inside each leaf, and then go ahead and write your greeting at the bottom. Wishing you comfort and peace is what I went with here. And that's what it looks like when you're done. Then take your brush, moisten it with green watercolor, and outline one of the leaves in watercolor. Swish all of the paint off of your paintbrush and moisten the paintbrush with just water. Use that water to pull that watercolor into the leaf just so you get that nice light green. And while that paint is still wet, moisten your paintbrush with brown paint and use that brown paint to dab inside of the leaves. And then go ahead and repeat that process with green. That's going to give your leaf more contrast. When you're done, wait for everything to dry, erase it, and you have got a gorgeous and tasteful sympathy card.